Hey guys, it's Gerald here. I've been trying to calm myself down lately because honestly, I've been going down these stupid rabbit holes, watching all these controversial videos with their loud thumbnails. You know, the ones, red faces, capital letters, the truth they don't want you to know, all that stuff. I mean, yeah, some of it's true. I'm not saying it's all rubbish, but they're designed to suck you in, to get you angry, to waste your energy. And I've realized they've been milking me for my time. And time, that's our life force. They literally are taking our life away. That's what it is, our very life force energy. And I've wasted so much of it staring at a bloody screen, getting wound up about stuff that doesn't even affect my actual life. So I'm doing something different. I'm going on what I'm calling a digital fast. No social media, no mobile, no laptop. Maybe for 3 months, maybe 6. I don't know. I just need to reset my brain. There was a guy I read about. He did the same thing, and they scanned his brain before and after, and his memory center, maybe the cerebellum, I don't know, it literally changed. Even his kids said, "We've got our dad back." The guy worked out he'd spent 12 years of his life staring at screens. 12 years, that's insane. 12 years of life taken away. And I kind of get it because I've been doing YouTube for, 7 years now, across a few channels. And I've spent hours every single day staring at my phone, my PC, editing, replying, stressing about numbers. And now my brain's just done. Like it's saying, "Gerald, mate, give it a rest." I've got this thing now, scintillating scotoma. It's like visual migraines or neurological stress or something. Basically, my eyes can't take it anymore. And that's my body telling me, enough is enough. When I started YouTube, it was fun. It was like therapy. I'd rant, tell stories, make people laugh, and it actually helped me. Then it became a job, which was great. But now it's like the fun's gone. So I'm going to have to slow down. Maybe do these narration type videos like this, where I just talk about health, longevity, the stuff I actually care about without frying my eyes and brain. Maybe sometimes I'll pop up on camera again when I feel like it. But yeah, I think this digital fast is something I need just to get my head back. I want to remember what peace feels like, real peace, not notifications, not algorithms, not engagement, just silence. Anyway, that's where I'm at. We'll see what happens. I love you all. See you again soon.
There you go.
How could I know it would